Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at two accessories from Samsung. They work with any part of the case. The case works only with the S25 Ultra, but this will work with kind of pretty much any wireless Samsung phone, uh, earbuds and watch. That's more recent. So yeah, I got this as a result of reviewing the Samsung S25 Ultra. And yeah, let's have a look. Let's see what we get. So let's have a look at the wireless charger. This is a Duo super fast wireless charger, max 15 watts. And let's see what information do we have on the back. So super fast wireless charging, this again 15 max with Galaxy phone, watch and buds, with magnetic line for the watch, which is nice. And you can see some of the compatible devices, and you can see power output is between 10 watts and 15 watts, and obviously depends of your charger. One is included in this package. I think they have one without a charger. But yeah guys, that's how it looks like. The charger that you get in the box, it looks like it is a 15 watts or what? Let's see. Output 25 watts maximum, so this should be fine. I really like that. It's compact, USB-C, and of course you will have a USB-C to USB-C cable, starting guide, and that's pretty much it. Let's take this to a side, and that's the case. So yeah, this is called the standing grip case. So let's see. That's all we have. We have also some instructions on how to install it, and really nice design, as you can see. It has this protection for the camera lenses, and then I think this one you push it up or something like that, or down, and then you can hold it like that. Inside, what material is that? With rubber, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's quickly install the case. We have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it says that you put it first like that, and then you drop it inside. Hopefully this won't really scratch my phone. I'll be pretty upset if it happens, especially from a case from Samsung. Okay, so now it's in position. That's how it looks like. I just take this thing off. That's actually rubberized. So it's quite nice because it's a case made for Samsung, by Samsung. By Samsung, yeah. So it has the Samsung logo in there, and this is quite nice because it goes back in place. It kind of tangles like that, but it's very useful if you wanna use your phone like that, and make sure you don't drop it. So yeah, otherwise that's the protection for the lenses. Quite minimalistic. The buttons are covered, and then it says in here, designed by Samsung, made in China. I don't really like that this is all exposed like that. But yeah, there you have it. So we'll take this away. Let me just quickly install this and I'll be back. So as soon as you plug it in, I'm actually using a different cable, but that's fine. As soon as you plug in, you could see like the two LEDs. Let's see if it's still charging wirelessly with this case. And it does, and it's fully charged. And that's why it shows in there. If you want to charge your earbuds, I've noticed that with these new ones, but at least this time was seems like I managed to align them at first, maybe, or not really. Yeah, now it is. So it's a bit of a little, not much, but sometimes you have to fiddle around, put them exactly in the right position. And if you want to charge your smartwatch, unfortunately, bear that in mind, that you will have to take the case off, this strap off, because it won't stay in position. You see? So yeah guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching.